it's Abigail McKay. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another Pura Vida mystery bracelet and ring unboxing. So I've done these a couple of times before and they're so fun to see what you get because you don't know. And Pura Vida always has the cutest things. So I'm doing another one. You can recycle these, which is awesome, and they're so cute still. Oops. So each one, if you didn't know, comes with this, and so it's just like a little folder. It tells you about Pura Vida and what they're doing, and then they also come with stickers inside the pineapple. And so here's the stickers I got. These are like the stickers that they're sending to everyone right now. So pair of shorts, popsicle, this thing, I don't know what this is. I never know, but like a balloon, dog, skate, and then that thing. They're very like, one thing I love about Pura Vida is how like summery vibes they are. So oh my gosh, this is the ring I got. It's so cute. So here's the mystery ring I got. It is what is it called? I don't know what one this is called, but it's like the sun one. It's super cute. That's so cute. I actually really like it. I like how it's mysteries because sometimes it's like I wouldn't just like order this on their website, but since I got it as a mystery, I actually like really like it. I also like how their jewelry, like it's not like a straight thing on the side, like it's kind of like bumpy, like that's how it's designed. I ordered this during their birthday, so I also got like a gift with it, which I'll open that too for you guys. But here's the mystery bracelet. Oh, this says surf. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. So it's like a blue bracelet. It's has a saying on it. It says surf. And then on the other side, there's a wave. That is so cute. I'm going to put it on right now. They're so easy to open. That's really cute. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for next summer when I wear like swimsuits with this bracelet. One thing I love about Pura Vida, well, another thing I love about Pura Vida is that you can wear these bracelets in the water. Like when you go swimming, don't worry about taking them off. Of course, the color might fade a little bit, but you can go swimming in them. And then some of the rings you can't, like the jewelry, but most of them you can. Here is what it looks like. Oh, that's so cute. Here's them together. Okay. Let's see what the gift was for ordering on their 10th birthday. Happy birthday, Pura Vida, by the way. Oh, this is cute. It's like a purple wave one. It's so funny because I have like the pink one of this. That's so funny. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want my code, it's Abigail McKay 20. It's right here. So just go on their website, type it in, and you'll get 20% off your order. It doesn't apply for like the monthly club, but any just bracelet you get, it works with, unless they're having like a special weekend where it's like 30% off. But that's an even better sale anyway. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and let me know if you want me to do more Pura Vida videos or what other kinds of videos you guys want to do. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.